Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can connect your Etsy and your Printify account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Etsy is for selling your products and Printify is for printing the designs on your products. So this company is a group of printer companies joined together for earning profit from printing on your brands. So let's go ahead and start how you can connect Printify to Etsy. Log into your Printify account. You should open Printify on your browser and you can see that this is the interface after you log into your account. If you don't have your account yet, you can sign up using Google or your normal email address. After you sign up and log in, this is the interface. Go ahead and click on connect to Etsy and Shopify. Go ahead and click on it and you can see connect option over here. Etsy provides a fast and easy way to get started selling and reach over 96 million active buyers worldwide. So its setup is easy. It's best known for beginners. The biggest markets are in USA, UK and Canada. There is no subscription fee and the cost might vary according to your bulk order. So you can see Etsy over here. Go ahead and click on connect. As soon as you click connect, you can see that you must click on grant access. Make sure that you are logged into your Etsy account. If not, you can click sign out and sign into another Etsy account which you have. So after you see this application, you can read it once. You can see that it says the demands, it connects to your account, read your user profile, create edit listings, delete listings, see all listings, see billing and shipping addresses, see all checkout payment data, update receipts, update shots, see private shop info. So these are the functionalities being carried out with the collaboration of Etsy and Printify. Scroll a bit down and click on grant access, wait for a while and your Etsy and Shopify account will be connected in a while, as well as your Etsy account. So you can see that if you go back to Printify, you can connect other accounts as well. Go ahead and click on this account and you can choose which product you want to sell and you can also connect other accounts as well. So it's quite easy, guys. This is how you connect your Etsy and Printify accounts. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.